Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and be talking about what we always do on Fridays, and that is my Webull portfolio and how it's performed over the week. But before we go ahead and get into that, I'd love it if you'd go ahead and smash that like button for me, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you never want to miss out on any videos that I post on this channel. With that said, we're actually going to go ahead and skip the intro today, so let's go ahead and start screen recording. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, and as you can see, my Webull portfolio is still active right now. But we're going to go ahead and talk about what's happened. So as you can see, today we lost over $300 in the market because we were at gains of about $6,000 yesterday, and we're down to $57.60 now. So maybe even $250 has been lost. But we're at $16,016.55, and it continues to move because it's still market time at about 3:30 p.m. But let's go through a couple positions that have changed this week. As you can see, Airbnb, with the one share we have, has gained $19.74 for about a 13% change in that position. Rocket companies and Coca-Cola have continued to lose money, but we're okay with that because we totally believe in both of those positions. AbbVie has gained a little bit of money, about $6 this week, and now it's up to $24.20, which is a 28% return for that position. Workhorse Group has continued to grow, so we're up $7.18 for an 8% return. Genius Brands has gained some money finally, and we're up 42 cents, which is a 5.15% return. We also have CVS Health, which has started to grow, which has gained $10.38 for a almost 16% return. TELUS is doing well, gaining $13.90 for a 12.5% return. And Shaw Communications is still in the positive. As you can see, Walgreens has really done well this week, gaining $100.97 for a 26% return, as well as Simon Property Group, which is up to $123.18 for a 36% return. Apple has continued to be steady, only going up a little bit and then declining. So we're only at a $57.22 return, which is about almost 5%. Bank of America is still not decided on what it's going to do. We have Keurig Dr. Pepper at $2.72 gained, which is an almost 10% return. Whirlpool continues to be steady at $58.96 gained for a 43% return. Allstate has started to gain some traction at $5.66 gained, which is a 5% return. W.W. Grainger is gained $59.81, which is pretty usual for what we've had it at so far, so it's still up 18%. Mercury General has gained $10.30 for a 24% return, while Fastenal has gained $7.66 for an 18% return. Duke Energy has gained $3.57 for a 4% return. Eaton Corporation is still in that $120 range, up to $34.81 for a 40% return. And then we have John Deere, which is almost to $300 a share, gaining $137.61 for an 87% return. Chevron seems to be gaining some of its position back, and so we're only down $4.11 for a 4% loss, while BP has continued to grow back to its original share price. So it's gained $28.91 for a 31% return. Bank of Montreal has continued to grow, gaining $24.57 for a 45% return, while BCE has continued to stay steady. Assurant is up a little bit to $32.60 gain, which is a 30% return. which is now at a share price of $140.17. Tesla has been up very volatile this week, getting all the way up to $192 on Monday, and declining during the week and going back up and declining. I saw it at prices of $155, and now it's back down to $822. I meant $855, not $155. But anyways, we have gained $3,595.43, which is a 269% return still. While we have Helmrich, which we have one share of, which has gained $5.55 for a 26.5% return. Aflac has continued to grow, gaining $19.02 for a 26% return, while ONEOK has also stayed constant, up to $59.15 earned with 36% returned. Berkshire Hathaway has gained $46.62, which is about a 25% return, while Hershey is up $13, which is almost a 10% return. Clorox is down $6.81 for a 3% loss, while Goldman Sachs has hit the 300 mark again, so we're at $96.54, which is a gain of 47%. Amgen is up $19.93 for a almost 9% return, while Lam Research had a really great week this week, getting over that $500 mark and just continuing to tread in the right direction. So we are up to $274.67, which is a 101% return. We also have Kimberly-Clark, which has decided to decline in the last couple of weeks. So we are down $9.53 for a almost 7% loss. But this is also a great time to go ahead and buy if you believe in the company. We have DraftKings with two shares in that position, which has stayed constant with $40.62 gain, which is about a 61% return. We also have Diageo, which decided to start growing. So we are up to $17 earned with 12% gained. We also have Tanger Factory, which has continued to grow. So we are now up to 106% return with $6.50 earned so far. And then we have Meredith, which we have one share of, which has gained $6 for a 44% return. Halliburton also has two shares in it in this position and has gained $20.44 for a 96.60% return. We have JetBlue Airways, which was some free shares that we received, up to $9.66 for a 47% return, while Viacom CBS has gained $65.02 for a 254% return. And then Snap has done its thing, of course, and gained $209.30 for a 500% return, while Starbucks has continued to stay steady at $36.30 gain for a 55% return. We also have Southwest. We have 15 shares here, and it's gained $86.73 for a 14% return, while WWE has hit the $50 mark, gaining $5.88 for a 13% return. Bank of Nova Scotia is a position where we hold 20 shares, and it is up to $56.34 a share, which has gained us $215.56 for a almost 24% return. We have Ford Motor, which has gained us $35.72 with the 12 shares that we have, which is a almost 43% return on that position. We have GE, which we have 100 shares of, and we are up to $144.59 now that each share is at $11.34, which is a 14.61% return, while B&Q is still declining. As you can see, we're down $10.51 in this position, and we have lost 11%. Now, when we look at how the week went, on Monday, you can see that we were at $15,780.42. Tuesday, we were at $16,188.47. Wednesday, we were at $16,230.30. Thursday, we were at $16,287.02. And right now we are at, once it clears, we are at $16,020.42 to end the week. And we are so happy with that. We are not worried about any of what's going on here. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any videos that I post on my channel. With that said, thank you so much for joining the journey and being a part of this video and watching it for me, really showing your support. It really helps to boost my confidence that I'm doing the right thing and showing you everything that you could want. With that said, if you leave a comment down below what was your favorite part of this video or what you'd like to see in another video, that would be really helpful. With that said, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless.